one blue. You can have a blue. And you have to select for the other equipment, the other circuit also.
If we want what? This is
In treating cases, you have two types of arrangement of electrode. Okay, you have two types in arranging electrodes. One was, as I said, in a diagonal way. Okay, how you see one, if you're placing one red here, and the opposite red should be on diagonal with the first one.
Why?
See, this is
It's understood.
yeah. Channel 1, channel 2, channel 1, channel 2. Okay, red, red, black, black. So that the current will go through this. I mean, this current will go diagonally to reach the opposite electrode, and this current will go like these two current comes like this.
Yes.
This current goes towards this electrode. This current comes towards this electrode. When these meets, the beat frequency is produced.
yes.
Okay, you got it? So this is what is called as diagonal arrangement of electrode. So how you place diagonally? One, if you're placing one red, it can be anything. So if you place red here, then opposite you have to place red here. So black, black. Okay. So this is called as diagonal arrangement. So you have to center the pane. For example, if the pane is here, okay. So you have to set the electrode in such a way that it meets at the pane. Okay, so
The
these
cross.
If the cross happens at the pane,
The set
okay,
of
yeah, pane at the site of pane, yeah. Okay, so this is called as diagonal arrangement.
How it was in
See,
it's very small.
yeah, actually, this is not I mean, this is not only the size. You have small electrode also. Okay, so depending upon the parts to be treated, you have to choose
which
the size of the
size of
electrode.
the-
Okay, so this is for larger areas. This is
back,
larger, yeah, back. For neck and all, you have small electrodes, very small electrodes. So it will be easy for you to fix it in a diagonal way. And see, you need not to be only placed in a diagonal way. So there are other type of placement. So like that is called as series arrangement. Okay, series means one red, okay, one black, one red, one black. It should be like this.
Same benefit or
Yes.
same.
If the area, like as I asked, if you want to treat the whole upper limb, okay, from the arm till the wrist you want to treat, how you do? So you can't place it diagonally here. You have to go for some other arrangements. Okay, if you place it like this, one red, red, black, black, one after one, red, black, red, black.
And the site of pain. Well,
Site of pain is throughout the limb. So here that see here that crossing is done inside the machine only. So nowadays the machine comes like you can produce a beat frequency inside the machine only. So that will deliver how much ever you want. Okay. So here there is no problem and like you have to place it only diagonal way. The area is too large to treat. For example, you have a condition called cervical neuralgia, where the problem in the neck, okay, causes radiating pain into the arm or into the forearm. Okay, you know, have you heard of this cervical neuralgia? For example, if there is a disc prolapse, you have an intervertebral disc, right?
yes.
If there is a prolapse in the intervertebral disc, what happens? That will compress the nerve root which is emerging out of the spinal cord. Okay, so it depends upon the root value. I mean the root involved. If it is if there is involvement of C5, then you will have a pain in the C5 distribution. If you have involvement of C6, you will have a pain in the C6, C7, like that. So depending upon the level of root involved, you will elicit a symptom. Okay, so you have to place it accordingly. So what we do, we start from the neck. Okay, wherever pain, you have to place it one by one. So this is called as series arrangements. Series.
Yes.
So arranging one by one. So it's
Yes.
called as series arrangement. So you have two arrangement of electrode. One is diagonal arrangement where you keep it red, red, black, black. Okay, so that circuit crosses. Okay. And the series is black, red, black, red, one by one. Okay, so this is for extensive area, massive areas. For example, if you want to treat the whole lower limb, if you want to treat the whole upper limb, so where you can't place it diagonally. How you? It's not possible. It's not practically possible. So we go for series placement. Okay, so we are going to see one by one. Like we'll go with one by one. For example, first we'll talk about the
the cross.
yeah, cross. See anything. We'll go with the back first. Back pain. For the
The diagonal.
manual setting. Okay. Electro. And then IF means interferential.
Yeah.
Okay. Classic. F1. Okay. Now you have to change this frequency. So 4,800. So in this machine have usually around 4,000 hertz. 4,000 hertz.
It will get 4 OH in ohms. Resistance of the skin.
Yeah. Okay, so you use it around 4,800. So automatically the other circuit will be fixed 4,700. Okay, so now you can change this amplitude, frequency, and spectrum. See how much ever you want. Either you want 0 to 100, or 20 to 100, or 80 to 100, or 1 to 20. So you can fix it accordingly. For example, if you want to fix it from 1 to 20, go for F2.
It's a short for
1 to 20. Okay. And then if you want to change this one, yes, 1. Go to F6, fix the time. Okay. This is 1 to 20. Spectrum and amplitude frequency. This is to fix how much frequency to be delivered to the patient. For example, if you want to stimulate only muscle, you go with low frequencies. Okay. If you want to stimulate muscles, only go with low frequencies. For example, reduction of edema, you go with low frequency because there you need only muscle contractions, nothing else you need. So your aim is to reduce the edema. So you go with the low frequency. If you want to reduce pain, then you can go with
High.
1 to 100. Maybe you can use it till 100.
so I can
The
walk.
pain in the muscles, so the pain will be in the muscle. So why we use higher frequency?
No. See see, if you want to reduce the pain, that's what I told you. No, you have two mechanisms in reducing pain: using low frequency and using high frequency. So this is depending upon the duration of the case. If it is acute case, or the chronic case, or the subacute case. For acute case, it is 10 to 15. Okay. For acute and subacute, you can say 10 to 15, and for chronic, it is 15 to 20. Okay. This is the time, and you can see, for example, before you start using the machine, you have to self check the machine. Now you place it like this. It's okay. So you have to place it in a diagonal way so that you can keep your arm on this. Okay. Now you put start, then increase. Now you can feel for the current. So here it will stimulate more sensory because there is not, there is no, the current is not passing easily through the patient's skin because there is no medium available. So for Faradism we use water as a medium of absorption. Here you have to use the gel. Okay. So if anybody wants to feel, you can feel. This is to simply check it. You have to touch all four.
Tingling?
يده صغيرة لازم
Yeah,
ينكر.
kind of. No, it is not.
Feel it.
The current is
No,
immediately.
don't touch the electrodes. Yeah, the electrodes should not be touched. Teacher.
تحسب شيء
ما بقى
قربت الله يهديك
بحسك شيء.
You should not take like that,
هي
okay?
حقدها نفسها بعدك.
يا رجال.
اقرب وراك مسوي
وانا
كان من هنا.
داخل. بعد اذنكم.
لا تخرب علينا
You
المشتري.
think the current? This is how you feel. No, nothing will happen because see, this 2.5 bundle will not do anything. Just a sensory stimulation. That's it.
كذا نفس نفس اللي سوى عليك اليوم
أوريك يهرب كيف رقم مخليه يهدي.
Yes. Like
Yeah,
bricklaying.
Prickling, yeah.
Prickling and tingling. The difference?
Yeah, almost. Almost. Everyone, there is no one to help you. What you have to do is you have to make it ready. Okay, first you have to make 4 straps ready. Okay. Okay, make it on the side of the trolley.
4 straps.
Yeah. I think this is finished.
شو هاي زينا.
Okay. So first, next step is what you have to do is you have to segregate between 2 segments. Okay. One black and one red. That means with this one with channel 1 and channel 2. Okay, channel 1 and channel 2. So this you keep it on the side. What you have to do is you take this gel. Okay. Give him a pillow. You can keep it under your chest. Actually, this is the.
It's a button.
This is not the right position. That too, when you're suffering from, back pain, this will be good. Okay. So now you have to examine where the pain is exactly by palpating. You should ask the patient. Okay. So because you have to position accordingly. So where is the pain you have to ask. For example, if the patient tells pain here, between these two or like anywhere.
Lumbar.
Lumbar, in the lumbar region. Okay. Now we are going to place it. Okay. So take this ready. Okay. So nothing. See, this is not sticky. This is watery. So this will not stick on your body. This is like a water. So once it's very easy to remove it by your cotton. Okay, so you have to spread it to 2 electrodes. Make it proper.
الله يذكر شكره بالخير كان رجع الجزء إذا ضاحك كذا
ما يخلط.
What you have to do is, for example, you assess the area of pain. Okay, this for example, the pain is here. Okay, so how you place it?
I'm sorry, but
Okay, so very curved. So you have to place it. You have to stick it.
that's the motor of the pain.
Yeah. So because this is very huge electrode. Okay. If the pain is here, where you have to place exactly on this side. It's very cold. It's very cold. Now, stick this. This is red and that is what? Right, na? This is red, yes. Now, place the other electrode on the same side.
لا ما نزل الأحمر خلنا من كروس مو أكس أقول كروس
No. This is diagonal placement. This is not above exactly. This has to be diagonal. Pain is at the center. See? Now these two meets here. This comes right here. This two meets here. So the pain here. Okay. So the pain will be treated. And this side. And as well. Okay. So now it's fixed. Okay. What you have to do? So depending upon the duration, like if you want to fix it to 15 seconds, so if it is a acute case, acute or subacute case, 15 minutes, okay. And then put start. Now slowly you can increase. Okay. Listen. Are you getting the current? So this you can increase. This intensity can be increased depending upon the patient tolerability. Okay. Sometimes like if it is more, you can tell me. Okay.
Okay, that's it. Yes, I get it.
You're getting the current. See,
إذا صار مور علمها.
if it is more, you can tell me.
Yes, now it's more.
Yeah. So you can stop at this point and you can wait for some time.
And if he is fat, doctor, you use more.
Yeah, that's what whatever the patient say. No problem.
Whatever.
But you have to check the contraindication before. You should not be hyposensitive. Okay, that and all you have to check it. Since you know that I'm leaving everything and I'm skipping everything.
It's no problem.
For cardiac
This
disease,
cable,
doctor.
usually it should not touch. See, check before every treatment. You have to check for insulation, whether everything is okay.
No, sure.
Okay, if there is a break, then you should not use this because two leads touch, then shock. Okay, now, so now you feel somewhat it is reduced.
Yes, there is absorption.
See, sometimes because of
قبص ولا؟ وش لا
see now,
Prickling sensation.
إيه
yeah,
قبص.
see after some time, like, see, you stopped with 80 milliamps of current, right? Maybe after some 5 minutes or 4 minutes, 3 minutes, the patient may feel the intensity is bit reduced. That comes because of accommodation. So now you have to increase a bit. Is it okay?
Yes.
See, you can increase it. You have to keep on asking whether it is okay. You feel it is reduced. You have to keep on asking. So if he feels it is reduced, you can increase a bit. So through all the treatment.
It will reduce with the same.
No, it's not the actual reducing, but it's the skin or the nerves will go for accommodation. If the constant current flows for some period of time, the nerve will adapt to the particular current.
Okay.
Stated for 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
15 minutes. So this is
That
for 10 to
of
15
treatment.
minutes for acute case, 15 to 20 minutes for subacute. Chronic case. Continence. If you have muscle spasm, I've given you many. Low back pain. Okay, knee pain, knee ligament injuries. Okay, ankle ligament injuries, shoulder pain.
AFT in the chapter contraindication.
Oh, indication I didn't give. Indication is not there in the slides?
No.
AFT.
No, that doesn't take the indication. We take the contraindication.
Oh, I will give you the next slide.
The contraindication.
Okay, this is for back. Okay, so we'll okay. Now, so depending upon the area of pain, for example, if the patient is having the whole back spasm, for example, we have a muscle called paravertebral muscle. So on either side of the vertebrae, you have a muscle. Okay, this muscle, erector spinae, that is called as paravertebral muscle. If you have spasm throughout the cervical region till sacral region, what you do? You go series. So like this, one red, one black, one red, one black, like this. It's continuous.
Okay.
Okay, so one I will do like that. For example, that is red, right? Okay, take red like this. Okay, this is for black.
Okay, you say the muscle is from this side to this side, right?
Yeah, this paravertebral on either side of the vertebrae.
Okay, this
For
blade.
example, you need not to be only a double side paravertebral spasm, maybe single side paravertebral spasm is there also there.
So
See, you have two paravertebral area, right?
Okay.
Any side pain can come. For example, if he is having pain at the left side, so how to treat? I'm telling.
How can I diagnose the left side? Only the left side there is a pain.
That's what you have to palpate for the patient.
No.
Palpate. I told you no before you fix up. You take the gauze piece. This one. Cotton. See, you have to before you treat with the pad surface electrodes, you need to know the areas of pain exactly.
Okay.
See, otherwise you can't treat. See, how will you treat? Where will you place the electrode without knowing the pain?
Okay, I palpate and he will say
Ah, yes.
I have pain.
For example, okay. For example, if he's having paravertebral muscle, okay, you can go right from here. See, ask for the pain. Is there is a pain? Is there a pain? Is there a pain? So wherever the pain, you mark it. For example, if it goes to all the whole vertebral muscles, whole paravertebral muscles, you have to place it like this: red, black, red, black. Now what you do, the same thing. So you can increase it. You get the current?
صور red or black. Red, black.
See, this will be like this. Or red on black, and red on black. This will be like this.
Okay.
المفروض الاشارات كذا تشوف
Okay. Now, see, is there a current?
little bit more.
Yeah. More, huh? Yes. Yeah, you can see the contraction.
No,
That's what this is contraction, producing movement.
oh.
Muscle contraction means it produces movement. So the scapular muscles are getting stimulated here along with the paravertebral muscles. Okay, so now you understand how you place it. So this is for paravertebral. If you have the pain throughout the paravertebral muscle, you place it series. Okay, red, black, or black, red. So how you place it? It doesn't. See, there is no. It's not mandatory that you should keep only red here or black here.
Yes.
Anything. If you keep red here, it should be
Should
black.
be black.
Yeah, it's the alternate.
The pain is here.
Here, pain is here. So this is exactly the area of pain. This is not the diagonal placement. Diagonal placement is you have to center the pain in diagonal placement. You have to center the pain. Okay. So in case of serious, it is given through the pain.
Okay.
Through the pain. In the painful areas.
Yeah.
Okay. So this side no pain. For example, if it happens in the opposite side,
You're
then you
blessed.
can give it like this.
Why not I give him this plate so he can one time just
Which one?
a short.
Big one.
Ah.
I give him two here so it can fold his back and no need for this series. Right.
See, that's what I told you, no? See that is only the analgesic it is giving. So this sometimes it may act with the strength of the muscle also. See, for example, I told you, no, if there is a weak muscle, by giving it you can induce some strengthening. So
Strength-
many
that-
ways it is useful.
Okay.
But this much of big electrode can't be used for treating neck, because you need to have a very small surface electrode in order to place it. If you have the patient is having neck pain, okay, so you need to treat. If you want to treat it with IFT, you need to use the smaller electrode,
Small,
very small electrode.
And 4?
Yes. So there are machines available where you can use only two electrodes. In IFT.
For the same.
Yeah, two pole method. There is a
Maybe it's the small area.
yeah, maybe. But this machine doesn't have an option of having two electrodes. You should like
It will not
if you
be
want to
more
use this
affected.
yes.
Well, it will be not affected or more affected.
No, it's okay. But see, if you don't want to use, for example, you have only neck pain here, okay, and you
there's two
don't see
electrodes.
here. The only this area is very small, whereas you can use only two electrodes. In
Yes.
those cases, you don't need other two electrodes to be placed in the neck. Okay, so you can use two pole method, two electrode method. So that is not
unplug
available in
the
this
two of
machine.
them. So unplug in the two.
You will?
Yes. The
You remove.
unplugged, yes.
But
fine.
see, if you remove in this machine, then the circuit will not complete. You don't get current.
You will get shocked.
Uh-huh.
No, not shock, but you will not get current. There is no completion of circuit if you keep other two electrode. If you remove other two electrodes. Okay. This machine doesn't have the option of using only two electrodes. You have to use 4 electrodes. Okay. This is for. Okay. And for example, if you want to treat it to the neck, okay, neck for example, if there is a neck pain, what you do, you have to see, you have to either you have, first of all you have to go for the palpation of the pain. Where is the pain? Okay, so depending upon the pain, you should place the electrode. For example, if the pain is here, okay, then how you treat it? You can one here, one here.
Is there pain?
So for example, put it center. For example, if the pain is here,
Okay.
okay, one here, one here.
Okay. Both sides.
Both sides. If it is very small electrodes, you can keep 4. One here, one here, one here, one here. Like this.
Okay, it's
Smaller electrodes, you can place it all 4 electrodes here.
Smaller than that.
Depends upon.
What bad no?
Pain, see maybe pain, you have to palpate the pain. I'm giving you an example. If there is a pain here, then how you place it? You place it like this, so that it crosses. Okay. And so if the pain is here, you place it like this.
okay, but it will be a critical area, in the brain.
But no, so you should not do anything with the brain. But no problem. You should not place it over the head under, like you are placing it only on the muscles. Only you have to be careful enough in stimulating the chest area. You should not stimulate over the left side of the chest because yeah, because
Doctor, you said smaller than this throat.
here you have different size available in this. This is a large electrode. Whereas you have, for example, this is 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter. You have electrode available in 0.5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. That will look very small, so that the narrow places can be treated easily.
Okay.
Have a lumbar vertebral disc prolapse. Okay, that will, if that disturb any of the root, that any of the nerve which supplies the lower limb, it will induce pain. For example, the patient may find pain in the back of the thigh, or front of the thigh, or back of the leg, or front of the leg. So, accordingly, you have to place it. For example, so if the patient is having both low back pain and the leg pain, what you do, you keep 2 electrode here, one and other 2 electrode in the area of pain. For example, one black, red, and then if the patient is complaining pain in the lower limb, in the thigh, what you do, you place it over the thigh, and one on the leg. Say if the patient complains one on the leg, and you keep it.
One on the leg, one on the thigh.
Or else only thigh. That means you can keep 2 electrode on the thigh itself.
And the
For
back.
example, you keep 2 electrode here, okay, and 2 electrode. One. See, for example, if patient complains pain here and pain here, you can place it like this.
And if there is a leg
If there is a leg, you keep it over the leg.
and back.
Yeah, the back is already there.
Already.
So like this. You have to cover the whole area by seriously placing the electrode.
Okay.
So you get, see here also it will get benefited. The current comes through this way. So the all area which is supplied by the particular nerve will be affected. Okay, so we will see about this next week also. If you have any doubts, if you come up with any doubts,